In war-torn Gaza, the rebuilding has begun. Bulldozers clear the rubble, but behind the scenes, a bitter battle is already unfolding.
Egypt wants to lead reconstruction. The U.S. pushes its own plan. Hamas is sidelined. The Palestinian Authority is weakened. And every group is fighting for control of the process.
Reconstruction will cost tens of billions, and it will take years. But without clear governance and trust, the rubble may outlast the peace.
The war may pause, but Gaza's future is still being fought, not just with bombs, but with power, influence, and money.